Hiya, it's me Janara and welcome back to my channel, and today is another Birchbox unboxing! So yeah, March Birchbox has arrived and here how it looks like. I really love this box. Still the same drawer and has got this purple to like aquamarine, green, blue-green color and this lovely gorgeous print. Just love it. It is very zen, like very relaxing, something that you would like stare and just be relaxed, and I love it. And the color goes the same at the back and on the drawer. It's a nombre and I love it. I've been doing Birchbox unboxing for a fairly long time now, and if you want to see my other unboxing, just check out my channel, and please do give this a video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean so much to me. So let's just start unboxing the March Birchbox. I am really excited with this month's Birchbox because there's one product in this box which I am really excited to try. So here how the box looks like inside. I haven't seen anything inside yet, but I've already know like 2 products. So let's just start with the leaflet. Oh, look at that. There's a thank you from Birchbox, up to £25 back when you order from the Birchbox shop. Ooh, here it is. Just use the code thank you. You can use this code. So if you want to use that code, just use it because I don't think I'll be using it. If you've been watching my videos, you may have already seen that I've done a very exciting project with the Birchbox. Oh, look at this here, which is the first ever UK TV advert of Birchbox. So they've given me a lot of products to try and use, so I would probably not be buying more products as of the moment because I have loads to try and use, and thank you Birchbox for that. So let's just start with this box, and here how the leaflet looks like. Oh, it's really nice, and it says mindfulness, be present, not perfect. Birchbox, March 2018. This is a nice card. You can like put it in a frame and just put it in your background or just hang it. I really like it. This month's theme is about mindfulness. It's like relaxation, me time, which I think I really need at the moment. I think I just need time for myself. And it says in here, what's in your March Birchbox? This month we're championing the importance of me time and the art of self-care. Yes, it's time to look after number 1. That's you. After all, mindfulness is all about being fully in the moment, pulling free from pressure to always push harder and strive for perfection. Step 1. Take the time to sit back and relax with 5 beauty treats picked to help you look and, more importantly, feel great. So this box will help you look and feel great within yourself. Let's just start with this first product. It's the Black Hydrogel Eye Mask. Is it black or BLAQ? Eye mask. So with this month we have the chance to choose between the eye mask or the peel-off mask. I've chosen the eye mask because I am currently treating my spots. But yeah, so I've chosen this, which I think wouldn't affect my skin treatment. So here how the eye mask looks like. So yeah, with just a clean face, peel off the peel thingy and then just leave it under your eyes. So yeah, this has hyaluronic acid, which is a moisture binding ingredient, so it will leave your under eye hydrated, moisturized, and that's really good. I haven't tried this brand before and I am really excited to try this. So these are RPs for £22 for a set of 5, so this is just one set, so it's like almost £5 for this. The next item I've got here is Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Mask Treatment. The full size RRP is for £42, which is in a pot. And this one is definitely just a sample size, which you will be getting 15 grams out of it. And this is a clearing treatment mask. Birchbox have already kindly given me one of this Glam Glow Super Matte Clearing Treatment Mask, and I've already tried it and I love it. You can use this as a full mask 1 to 3 times a week, or just spot treatment whenever you need it. So I have tried this as a full mask and I have been using it as a spot treatment as well, because as I've said, I have a really bad skin at the moment and I feel like this product really helps. And you can feel it like tingle a little bit, which first is a bit scary, but I think for me, I think that means that this product really works. I'm not really sure, but yeah, it really helps dry my active spots and clear out some of my scarring, and I love it. That's also a thumbs up. So for the next product, so we've got here Amica Bombshell Blowout Spray. The full size of this RRP is for £14.99, and this one is a sample size, so you'll get 29.6 mils out of this product, so it's not bad. And it says here, protect, texturize, volumize, and repair for all hair types. Use before blow drying to get extra texture and lift while providing a weightless layer of heat protection. Safe for color treated hair. Spray on damp hair, section by section, roots to ends before blow drying. Can also be used on dry hair for a light hold or restyling. It doesn't only provide heat protection, but it also nourishes your hair. So that's a good one. Let's have a sniff. Ooh. I've received this brand from Birchbox before and I love their packaging. Looks like this. I already have their dry shampoo and hairspray and I love it. That smells really nice. I need a bit of a volume in this side of my hair. So that's another thumbs up for me. So that's 3 out of 5 and I'm loving it, loving it. So the next product is, we've got a full size. Here it is. This is by the brand Rituals. It is the Ritual of Sakura Foaming Shower Gel. These are RPs for £4.50 and this is a full size. And it says here, celebrate each day as a new beginning. I agree to that. This is a sensational foaming shower gel. And it says here, showers can be just as relaxing as a soak in the tub. You just need the right products. This luxurious gel is infused with sweet-smelling cherry blossom and organic rice milk to soothe your skin and calm your mind, transforming into a thick, lathering foam on contact with water. It provides a skin-softening, clean with hydration that lasts all day. All of this stuff goes a long way. I haven't tried. Oh, it smells so nice. I haven't tried a foaming shower gel before. Oh. I think you need to shake it before spraying it or pumping it. How it looks like. It doesn't look like a foam. Oh yeah, it's foamy and it smells really nice. I really love it. I will definitely try this product. I have heard a lot about this brand and I haven't tried any of their products before, but this one I would definitely try. So that's the 4th product and still a thumbs up for me. We'll definitely be trying this one out. And then last but most definitely not the least, this is the product that I've been waiting for and I've been so excited. The moment this product has been released, after a few days or a week, Birchbox already said that they will be giving out a fun size of this product on our March Birchbox, so I was so excited and now here it is. It is the Benefit BADgal BANG Mascara. I'm really tempted to get this one as soon as it has come out because a lot of YouTubers have been raving about it. A lot of YouTubers have been talking about it. There have been mixed opinions about it and that made me so intrigued and made me like really want to buy it and try it myself. But since Birchbox said that they will be sending us one, so I didn't buy the full size because it's really expensive. How much is it? £21.50 for a full size. For a mascara, £21.50 for a mascara. So it says here, this is the Benefit BADgal BANG Volumizing Mascara. Prepare for lash lift off with this new thickening mascara. Its gravity-defying formula contains aero particles commonly found in astronauts' space suits to deliver volume and lightweight lift in every swipe. The special slim-packed brush is molded to catch every single lash from corner to corner. Just wiggle from roots to tips for an impactful look that will last up to 36 hours. First of all, I don't think anyone would wear a mascara for 36 hours, but I have seen some YouTubers who have been doing a wear test for 36 hours, and that's just ridiculous, but they've done it. I'm so excited to try this one out, so I haven't used any mascara at the moment. They're claiming that this is volumizing and lengthening and lightweight, and heard a lot of good things about it, but some people would say that it's just overhyped, and let's try it. I have come closer. I have got the shortest, thinnest and straightest lashes in the world, so I am really looking forward to this. I've got my hopes so high. I really do hope it works. I've already curled my lashes because that's how I usually do my lashes. So here how the brush looks like. Really thin bristles, and I think this is a plastic bristles. Is longer on this part and it gets shorter on the tip. Let's have a go. So just wiggle. Ooh. Oh my. Look at that! Look at that! I have never seen my lashes this long. That's just the first coat, and that's how it looks like. I think it's already going down. I really love it when I first applied it, but now it just went down. I'm a bit disappointed. I'm gonna try another layer. So here's second layer. It's now clumping. So here how it looks like. I'm gonna try lower lashes. Ooh. So here how the mascara looks like. I rarely do my bottom lashes because I end up poking my eyes, but with this mascara I've never seen my bottom lashes this long before, and I love it. I do love it. It does lengthen and volumizes my lashes. What I don't like about it, it's really clumpy and the lashes doesn't look so natural for me. I think I would be using this for like an event or something, but with everyday, this doesn't look like an everyday lashes. It's really volumized. It's not my everyday lashes. But yeah, I think if they will be doing like a waterproof one which will make my lashes stay curled, because as I've said, I've got the straightest lashes and thinnest and shortest lashes, so I really need my lashes curled before putting a mascara on. But with this one, as I've put the first layer, lashes just went down, and I am a bit disappointed about that. But overall, it's a good mascara. It did lengthen my lashes and volumized my lashes, and I really love it. I would be definitely using this one from Birchbox, but yeah, not worth £20 for me. Not worth £20 for me. It's just so expensive for me to buy for a mascara, but it's a good one. If money isn't a problem for you, I could recommend this, but if you're like me, always looking for an affordable makeup, give it a miss. Just get your Birchbox and get a fan size to try it out first. So that's it for this Birchbox unboxing. I really love this Birchbox. This box has a good variety in it. It has got makeup and skincare, hair care, and body care in it, which I think Birchbox have really thought about the theme and the products they will be giving out this month, and I really love it. Giving time to yourself, pamper yourself, and just look and feel good about yourself. And thank you Birchbox for reminding us to always feel beautiful about ourselves. If you would like to get March 2018 Birchbox, I will leave a link down below where you will be able to get your first Birchbox for 50% off, and you will be receiving a BADgal BANG mascara as well with every March Birchbox. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and that would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope your day will be as flawless as your makeup today. Bye! See you in my next video.